It is now the month of November, which means October is over. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a update for what I did in the month of October. Be sure to let me know what you did in the month of October down in the comments below. I had two new videos in the month of October. The first one was my September update video, which was titled "Where Have I Been?" And the second video was deer hunting with my crossbow. If you missed either one of those videos, be sure to check them out. The links will be down in the description below. In the beginning of the month, I went to an event called the Apple Festival, which is pretty much the only thing that happens in my town the whole entire year. And it's not even that good. It's just that people go there because there's nothing else to do, and it's the only thing that happens each year. And there's pretty much no apples there. So I'm not really sure why they call it the Apple Festival, but you just go there to visit other people that you haven't seen since last Apple Festival, pretty much. It's normally cold at the Apple Festival, but this year it was actually pretty warm outside. A while back I uploaded a video showing the custom cup holder that I made for my wheelchair, and some of you may have seen that, but if you haven't, be sure to check it out. It's actually pretty cool and pretty cheap. But in the video I showed where I mounted the cup holder, which was on my left leg rest, and it was a good spot for it, but I felt that I could move it to a better spot. The problem that I was having was that whenever I would put my cup in there like this, whenever I would go under tables or a desk or something, I would have to take it out every time I would go under something because this was actually sticking up higher than my leg. So I got to looking on my chair and saw that the same sort of setup that was on my leg rest was also below my seat cushion. So what I did was is I moved the cup holder down uh, to that spot, which gave it enough room for me to go under desks and tables without having to take my water bottle out of the cup holder. I posted pictures of the cup holder before and after I moved it, and I posted it on my social media. So if you're not following me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, be sure to go over there and follow me. The links to follow me are down in the description. I went and ate at Red Lobster for the endless shrimp, and it seems like I only eat at Red Lobster like once or twice a year, and it's normally for the endless shrimp, and it was pretty good. Another modification that I made to my power chair was that I put hooks on the back so that way I could hook a backpack to it, because before I did that, it was really difficult for me to carry a backpack. I would have to take my headrest off and then put the backpack on there and then put the headrest down in between where you hold onto the backpack and it would stay, but it was really difficult to get on and off, so I put these just I don't know, these hooks that you pretty much find anywhere, and I put them on the back of my chair. So now I can just put on and take off the backpack pretty easily, and I don't have to worry about, carrying it. I got my first deer with a crossbow in the month of October, and I did record the hunt, which is one of the videos that I uploaded for the month of October. So if you haven't watched that, be sure to check it out, and I thought it was pretty cool. My job that I'm working part-time right now is going really well, and I plan to go full-time sometime in May, probably after I get my associate's degree in information technology. The van evaluation that I had done on my van in order to get hand controls was completed, and so now I am scheduled to get my hand controls installed at the end of November. So I'm looking really forward to that, and it's taking a really long time. But once everything is said and done and stuff, I plan on making a video pretty much wrapping up the whole process, explaining it, so that way anybody out there that is curious and wants to get hand controls sometime will know more information than what I did in the beginning. The book that I read for the month of October was 226 by Lonnie Bedwell, and this guy was in a hunting accident with his friend, and he became blind. So then he started figuring out things by himself, and he became the first blind kayaker to kayak the entire Grand Canyon in a solo kayak, which is pretty cool. And he actually doesn't live too far from my hometown, so I thought this was a really good read, and I suggest checking it out. Alright, that's what I did in the month of October. Be sure to let me know what you did in the month of October down in the comments below.